Hello children, are you all doing good? How is it going on? See children, I know that you all have done well in your exam. But some kids were not getting the spelling to say when teacher asked you. For that, I have a solution. What you have to do is, you have to tell your mother or father to buy a chart paper for you. So like this chart paper, you have to tell your mother or father to buy for you. And what you have to do is, you have to write on the chart paper word wall. What you will write on the chart paper? Word wall. This is the way you can learn the spellings very easily. So I gave you this idea to do it at home, because usually we are doing this in the class. Now it is not possible. So that's why you have to prepare this chart at home. So tell your mother or father to buy a chart paper for you, and on that you can write word wall. We already finished first storybook. So you know which are the important words which we have to study. So note down that all important words like Divya, Cookie, Arun, Salma, living room, bedroom, bathroom, dining room, kitchen, garden, David, beautiful, grandma, grandpa, samosas, Shanti. These are the important words in the first storybook. So you have to note down that important words on the chart paper, and you just paste on the wall, and daily when you get up in the morning after having your breakfast, just go near to the chart paper and have a look on it, and just study 3 words from the first storybook which you have written on the chart paper. So like this you can learn the spellings very easily. So this is the way you have to do this chart paper to learn the spellings very easily. So will you do this, so that it will be very easy for you to learn the spellings. So how will you show this to me that you have prepared the chart paper? So you can take a photo of that chart paper and you can send me through WhatsApp. Now I will start the class. Do you like games? I love games. Are you ready to play game with me? Before starting the game, I want to explain you the topic for today. What I am going to take. The topic for today is nouns. Do you know what nouns are? Nouns are names of persons, places, animals or things. So, everything around us has a name, right? Everything around us has a name. So, nouns are names of persons, places, animals and things. I will tell you once more. Nouns are names of persons, places, animals or things. Name of a person, place, animals or things. Now you can tell me what nouns are. Nouns are names of persons, places, animals or things. For example, I am your English teacher, right? And what is my name? Can you tell me what is my name? My name is Preeta. So you got the name of a person. So you got the name of a person. So what is my name? My name is Preeta. So I have prepared a chart paper like this: name, place, animal, things. You also can prepare it at home. You can draw 4 columns and just write name, place, animal, things on that chart paper. In the 4 columns, you can write name, place, animal, things. Don't write on the walls. You just paste a chart paper like this and you can write on the chart paper name, place, animal, things. Draw 4 columns and you write name, place, animal, things. So I am your English teacher, and what is my name? My name is Preeta. So you got the name of a person. So I will write in the place of name of a person. Preeta. And place, name of a place. Where do I come from? I come from Alathur. So now you got name of a place. Where do I come from? And do I have pets at home? Yes, I have pet dog. So what is the name of an animal? Dog. And I am your English teacher. So in the classroom, where do I sit? You know that? Yes, teachers sit on a chair. So what is the name of a thing? Chair. And I write something on the board. So what I used to write on the board? Chalk. So chalk is also a thing. So now you got what nouns are. Nouns are name of a person. So you have written my name, Preeta, name of a person. I am your English teacher. So you got the name of a person. Then where do I come from? I come from Alathur. So you got the name of a place. Then do I have pets at home? Yes, I have a pet dog. So you have written dog. So you got name of an animal. And then where do I sit in the class? I sit on a chair. So you got name of a thing. And what do I use to write on the board? I use chalk to write on the board. So you got chalk, name of a thing. So what nouns are? Now you came to know about it. So before doing the activity in Little Thinker English, activity 2.5, page number 6. So before doing that activity, we will play a game. So I have drawn on the chart paper name, place, animal, things. So how we will play, I will tell you. You just watch and see. We have to complete the columns I have prepared here, name, place, animal, things. So we have to complete these columns with a letter in the alphabet. So I will start counting till 10 and after 10 I will stop, and which letter I have stopped, I will use that letter to fill the columns of name of a person, place, animals or things. Okay, so I am going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have stopped in F. The letter is F. So I have to write a name of a person starting from letter F. So can you tell me the name that starts from F? Your friend's name, whose name starts from F? F. Fatima. Fatima. I got a name, Fatima. So I will write Fatima. And place name from F. If you are not getting the name of a place starting with letter F, no problem. We can go to the next column to find the name of an animal or thing's name. So after that we can come back to the same column, that is name of a place. So we can think name of a place, we can take time, think, and then we can write on the column of name of a place starting from letter F. Another column. So animal's name you know from F? Yes, fish. And the thing starts from F. Fork. We eat Maggi with it, right? Fork. We eat Maggi with a fork, right? So fork. So place name we didn't get early. What is the place name? Can you guess any one place name from starting from letter F? I got a word from F. The place name, that is France. Have you heard France? So France is the place name. So now one more letter. Just count till 10. Yes. So I stopped in the letter D. So I have to write name of a person, place, animal, things starting with the letter D. So D name Diya. Diya. I got the name Diya from. Then place name Delhi. Divya and her family went to Delhi. And an animal's name from D. Yes, dog. A thing starts from D. Duster. Teacher used duster to clean the board. Duster. So one more letter we will practice, that is B. So we have to write the name of a person, place, animal, things starting with the letter B. So B, Bindu. I got the name Bindu. And then place Bangalore. You know Bangalore? I have heard Bangalore, but I have not visited till now. I have not gone to Bangalore. So I have heard the name Bangalore. Then one animal's name starting with letter B. So bat. What is bat? That one animal's name we have to write starting with letter B. Butterfly. Butterflies are beautiful, right? Butterfly. Then one thing I have to write from B. It's very easy. Box. It can be cardboard box or it can be my lunch box, etc. So this way you can play this game at home with your friends. You can start saying the alphabet in the count of 10, and where you have stopped you can say the letter, so that your friend and anybody who is playing with you can write the name of a person, place, animal, things, what the letter you have said. So this is the activity of Little Thinker English you have to complete. Activity 2.5. So this you can do as a homework at home. You can write the name, place, animal, things. So names you already got from the storybook. There are many names given in the storybook, names of a person. Right? Divya, David, Salma. So many names are there in the storybook. So you can search from the storybook the name, place, animal or things, and you can complete the activity 2.5 in Little Thinker English. Do it as a homework at home. And how will you send it to me? You can take the photo of that activity and you can send it to me through WhatsApp. Hope that you have understood what nouns are. Nouns are names of person, place, animal or things. Or nouns are naming words. Naming words. Everything around us has a name. Right? Without name, nobody is there. So animal also have a name. What? Dog, fish, cat, tiger. So all animals have a name. And things also have a name. Chair, duster, chalk, box, books. So all things also have a name. Name of a person, place, animal, things are nouns. Before winding up the class, I would like to share something. That is, in the last class we have studied different parts of house. And I am happy that you all have listened to me very carefully. That is why some of you have shared your videos, where you have explained the different parts of your house. Let's see the video.
Hello friends, how are you all? Today I am going to present different parts of house. Let's see. This is living room. We can sit, relax and watching the TV together. We cannot brush teeth here. This is our bedroom. We can sleep here. We cannot cook here. Here we eat food and snacks. We cannot park here. And finally, kitchen. We can cook here. We cannot sleep here. This is my favorite place. Okay, thank you.
So that's for today. I will meet you in the next virtual class. Till then, bye.